Good morning. My name is Roberto Carlos Ramirez Hernandez. Today I will share connector in English grammar. There are basically conjunctive words that are used to connect similar elements present in a sentence. There are different connectors in English that can be used to express those in a better way. Connectors are important because they make any sentence more logical and understandable. Their quality lies in the fact that they give variety to the oral or writing expression of those who use them. They are especially important in academic work or formal setting in general without forgetting that they can also be used in informal setting, such as a conversation between friends. Among its advantage of consistency and coherence, speech can also be mentioned both in its writing and oral form. It can be mentioned that there are different types of connector in English, and each of them has a different use. When we make phrases in English, we can use different tools to connect one word with another or one phrase with another without necessarily having to be the same. So today we are going to learn some of them and their example. For this, we will divide the connector into categories such as condition connector, addition, opposition, cause and effect, and contrastive. Let's start with the connector. There are when one thing has to happen for the other to happen. For example, if, otherwise, unless, only if, even if, among others. Some example can be if you go to Santa Ana, you might love it. Okay. You have to study, otherwise you'll fail the test. We can go to the concert unless it gets canceled. I'll go to the meeting only if you go with me. Another category are the addition. Connector, that is when we want to add something else to the information. We can find connectors such as in addition, also, furthermore, moreover, among other. Let's see some example. Besides playing the piano, she also sings like an angel. I love pupusas and pizza. I am very sick. I have a headache. In addition, I have flu. I live with my grandmother, my father, and also my cat. She is not only intelligent, but also beautiful. Working more than 12 hours is very stressful. Furthermore, you can get sick. I can't go to the party. I had to study and I had to clean the house. Moreover, I don't have any money. Another category is the opposition. A connector, that is when one piece of information is opposite to the other. In the category, we find connectors such as but, however, on the other hand, instead among. These here are some examples. I want to go to school, but it's raining. I love to live in San Miguel. On the other hand, Chalatenango looks very nice. My friends are coming over. I don't want to cook. I am going to call for pupusas instead. Another category is this so-called cause and effect. That is, because one thing happened, another thing result from that. This time we find connector such as because, as a result, since, therefore, consequently, and other. Some example we have she crying because she fell on her bike, and I didn't bring my cat. As a result, I'm very cold. Since she didn't study, she failed the test. She is going to the gym every day. Consequently, she has a perfect body. Now, we will talk about the contracting connector. That is to say, they are those that contrast the information with each other within those connectors. We can mention, although, in spite of, regardless, even though. Now, I will show you some examples. Although she didn't study for the test, she pays it. In spite of being 20 hours on a bus, Germany is amazing. I am going for a walk regardless of it's cold. Despite all our effort, we failed the test. If we use this connector when it is necessary with the word that should be our English, it will be here and real much better. Thank you for your attention.